Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the SAT March 2019 math test paper. I'm going to do some questions from the no calculator question paper from the math test. So let's start with question number 1. It says that Tony spends about $80 per month on public transportation. That's kind of like the total cost. So whatever the equation is, it's got to add up to 80. Okay, and then it says the 10 right passes cost $12.50. A single right pass costs $1.5. If G represents the number of 10 right passes, so basically 12.5 got to get multiplied by G, and T represents the number of single right passes. So together 1.5 times the T, they should actually in a month add up to 80, which means D is the correct answer for this one. Question number 2, it says in the equation above, T represents Brittany's total home pay in dollars for her first week of work. H represents the number of hours she worked that week, and 1,000 represents the sign-on bonus. So if Brittany's total take-home was $1,576, how many hours was Brittany paid for her first week of work? Okay, so you see this T, 1,576 is the total amount of pay she has, and this should be equal to 1,000 plus 18H, right? So we take this 1,000 to the left side, we get 1,576 minus 1,000. And this is equal to 18H. So if you subtract these, we get 576 equal to 18H. Now we got to divide both sides by 18. And if you didn't do that mentally or on paper, this is going to be equal to 32. So the correct answer is 32 hours. This is the number of hours she worked for her first week. A clothing store is having a sale on shirts and pants. During the sale, the cost of each shirt is $15 and the cost of each pair of pants is $25. Geoff can spend about $120 at most. Keep that in mind because that's a very, very important tip there. That means that the amount that he or she can spend, I don't know if Geoff is actually a girls or boys named, but basically the amount that that person can spend at most is not going to be greater than $120, right? It's less than or equal to $120. So all the answers that are greater than are going to get canceled. So B and D are actually canceled. Now, we know that, the cost of each shirt is about 15. So 15 should get multiplied by S because S represents their shirts, and pants is 25. So 25 should get multiplied by P. So A is the correct answer, right? Now, what is the solution to -3 times x minus 5 equals to -2x plus 4? This is a very simple sort of question because all you have to do is do some simple algebra. So you just have to expand this, -3 times x minus 5, -2 times -5. That's going to give you -3x plus 15 equal to -2x plus 4. Now you just bring the like terms to one side. So you just do -3x plus 2x equals to -15 plus 4. So -3x plus 2x is going to give you -1x, and this is equal to -11. So x is equal to 11 because the negatives cancel out. A is the correct answer for number 4. All right, so thank you for watching. We're going to be continuing this video later on as well. Tell me if you liked it and if you like videos similar to this in the future. And if you found this helpful, please share and subscribe.